penguin from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory is the comfort you feel from the first minutes. The animator's eyes are at the level of the mascot's eyes, the view remains natural, and the landing is designed for height up to 185 centimeters. It's not hot or stuffy inside. The ventilation holes are designed in the eye and mouth area. The suit is light, does not constrain movements, and the set includes a soft jumpsuit, a voluminous vest, a hat, a scarf, a head, shoes with a rubberized sole and cuts. Each seam undergoes a 3-stage quality control of the OTC, so the suit remains in excellent condition after many exits. The character is universal, equally good for children's matinees, New Year's trees, and corporate events. Production in Russia, production time, from 2 weeks. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or a calculation of the cost of your order? Contacts for video. Write or call right now.